Welcome back again, guys. Here we go again. Today we will teach you how to buy a new ECU. If your ECU is broken, your car mind, this is the controller of your car. If your one is broken, here is the search and here is how you can buy a new one. You will go to Google, as we see. You will Google ECU MED, and then you will write the number of the ECU, as we see here, from Bosch company. It's a good company, as we see. Then you will take this name and go to Google and Google this name, and then you will search here. You will go to shopping and you will see here is the companies and here is the prices, as we see. That was our minute today, guys. Just 1 minute. See you tomorrow.